Sometimes the world feels too loud and too heavy. When that happens, Kristen and I look at each other and just know it's time to do something different. We can't change everything, but we can change how we live. That's when we head into the forest. We walk through the tall trees and quiet trails, letting nature guide us. Every step feels like a part of a story, and every hike becomes a little movie of its own. It's not just exploring, it's like we're writing our own adventure. We pulled up to the quiet place called the Woodlands Trail. It's a part of the Big Sandy Unit in the Big Thicket, just outside of Indian Springs, Texas. Long ago, Native American hunters passed through here. Later, the Alabama Coshada made their homes in parts of this thick forest. Eventually, people began to explore the area. Drawn by trails like the El Camino Real and Atascocita Road, still the forest stayed wild and hard to travel through. By the late 1800s, huge logging camps cleared many trees, and the town sprang up around sawmills, but the woods started to disappear. In 1974, something changed. This land was saved when it became the Big Thicket National Preserve. Now we step into the Woodlands Trail, walking through magnolia and pine trees, dipping into a forest so full of life it feels magical. It's not just a path, it's a walk through time. As we kept walking, the trees opened up and there it was, Collins Pond, a quiet, still place where time felt like it had slowed down just for us. The water was like a mirror, showing the sky and trees above. Dragonflies zipped over the surface, and the soft sound of frogs croaking echoed from somewhere nearby. We found water lilies floating like tiny boats, each one blooming as if it had a secret to share. The trail kept going, winding through tall grass and soft dirt. Kristen leaned in to take a photo, and for a moment it felt like the whole forest paused to watch. Every turn felt like a new chapter in our own little story. No maps, no clocks, just the rhythm of our steps and the magic of the woods. Crossed small bridges, ducked under low branches, and followed the sound of birds leaning us forward. There's something special about small wooden bridges in the middle of a forest. They're quiet and simple, but they feel like portals, like stepping across one brings you deeper into another world. Other times they hover above muddy puddles, where fallen leaves float like paper boats. Each bridge feels like a promise that something beautiful waits just on the other side. We stopped to stare, amazed that something so simple could look so magical. In the forest, even the smallest things can make you wonder. A single step, a tiny mushroom, a little bridge. It's like the woods were quietly reminding you to slow down and just notice. And just when we thought we'd seen it all, there they were. Mushrooms, not just in the ground, but glowing right out of the trees. As the sun dipped low and the trail led us home, we didn't just leave footprints in the forest. We took a piece of it with us. In a world that moves too fast, this quiet adventure reminded us to slow down, breathe deep, and get lost in the magic of simply being.